Dear students, welcome to my class. This is Jamil Raihan, Assistant Teacher English, Ali Hossain Girls High School. Look at the picture and discuss in pair what you see in it. We see there are two boys. Dash are going to school. What can we use here? Good. Here we can use who. There are two boys who are going to school. This who is connecting two clauses. Look at the picture. What do you see in it? The boy is fat. The boy is thin. What can we use between two clauses? Good, very good. But we can use but. But has connected two clauses. Look at the picture. What do you see in it? The farmers work hard. They can get good crops. Here, what can we use between two clauses? Good, so that. The farmers work hard so that they can get good crops. Here, so that has connected two clauses. So, dear students, can you guess what is our today's topic? Good, very good. Our today's topic is connectors. What is connectors? Connectors are some words that help to connect more than one clauses to make a clear sense. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions which are used as connectors. For the betterment of your understanding or your memorization, I have designed this in this way. Fanboys. Fan means for, A means and, N means nor, B means but, O means or, Y means yet, S means so. You will remember the word fanboys so that you can remember all the coordinating conjunctions. There is a connector because. Where can we use because? When the next clause is the reason of the first clause, then we can use because. For example, Rana could not go to school because he was admitted to hospital. Here, the second clause is the reason of the first clause. That is why we have used because. There is another connector then. When the work of the next clause is done later, then we can use then. For example, I went to park, then I went to school. That means going to school was later than going to park. There is another connector but. Where we can use but? To mean opposite idea. For example, here we see he is a rich man. Here we have to use but he is unhappy. We generally know that rich men are happy, but here the man is rich but he is unhappy. That is why we have used but. There is another connector or. Where do we use or? We generally use or to make a condition. For example, here we see do or die. Here we see a kind of condition. If the person does not do, he will die. There is another connector and. Where do we use and? We use and to when two clauses are done at the same time. Here we see boys and girls are standing. At the same time, two words or two clauses are doing the same work. There is another connector such as. Where do we use such as? We use such as to mean for example. Here you see there are some fruits such as banana, apple, palm. In this way we have to use such as. There is another connector either dot dot or. Where do we use either dot dot or? We use either dot dot or when there is a suspension between two clauses. For example, either Bangladesh or India won the match. We don't know which team will win, so there is a suspension. There is another connector who. Where do we use who? We use who to mean a person. For example, here you see there was a woman who was very helpful and kind to people. Here we have used who to mean a person. There is another connector who is. Where do we use who is? We use who is to mean animals or objects. For example, there was a fox which had no tail. Now I am giving you some work. You will do the work in group. Write down the sentences and complete the sentences using connectors. Then share your answers with me. Dear students, what have you used in the first sentence? Good, very good. We go to market so that we can buy necessary things. What have you used in the second sentence? Good, very good. There was a king who was very cruel. In case of number 3, it is cow which gives us milk. We go to school so that we can acquire knowledge. Good, very good. You have done very well. There are many people who do not work hard. It is honesty which is the best policy. Either you or your brother have done the work. The boy who came here yesterday is known to me. Good, very good. You have done very well. There are some extra rules. Remember it. Both dot dot and. We generally use both dot dot and to connect two nouns or two adjectives together. For example, he is both honest and king. Both Ronnie and Johnny are brothers. Both Neela and Owl are friends. There is another connector since. Where do we use since? We use since to mean time or reason. For example, it is many years since we first met. It was many years since we had first met. The 3 years have passed since his father died. It is 8 years since Jerry lost his mother. Since the water was very salty, they could not drink it. I have seen him since he was 4. There is another connector, for example, as dot dot as or so dot dot as. What do you use these things? We generally use as dot dot as or so dot dot as to compare two things or two persons. For example, she is as tall as his brother. Rumki is as tall as Nipa. The lion is as strong as a tiger. There is another connector, before or after. When do we use before or after? Actually, we use before or after to mean the time of the work. The work which is done later, we use before that clause, but the clause which means the work is done later, we use after before that clause. For example, I had washed my hand before I ate. Here, the work of eating has been done before. I finished my work after I had gone out. That means the work, I finished my homework. This work has been done later. The cow died after she had eaten grass. The patient had died before the doctor came. He returned home after the rain had started. Thank you, dear students. Thank you all.